Hey Janine, this is our birthday card to you, me and Uncle Tom. Click on that, pause it, and then watch our video. Oh, yep, here's us getting in the car. We stopped to pick up Grandma. She's being safe too. You'll have to stop it. Watch our next video. Almost there. 2 videos for you. Happy birthday! Yay! At the last minute, that balloon flew right in front of us. Sorry about that, but we were there. Hope you saw us. Yeah, it was great catching up with Leah. We wanted to keep our social distancing, so we decided not to go up to your house, although we did want the goodie bag. Happy birthday! And then this is it. It's done.